Hi there, Perry families. My name is Carrie Daly. I am in my 23rd year of teaching here at Perry High School. If your son or daughter is taking AP Psychology, College Credit Plus Sociology, College Credit Plus Cultural Diversity, Ethics, and/or Psychology, they will have me this school year. And I also have one section of government this year, which I'm super excited about. So I might have your son or daughter for government. I do have a website that's linked to the Perry High School page, which really just is shared here on your screen. It's just kind of a landing point, just so that you know most things are going to be housed in Google Classroom. So if your child is anything like my own and never tells you what's going on at school, feel free to reach out via email or phone call, and I'm happy to chat with you. But you could also join our Google Classroom as a parent to be able to see what it is your child is doing in class. All grades will be in Home Access Center and eSchool Plus for you to check if you are interested in doing so. The only exception to that would be the College Credit Plus classes, which are housed in Blackboard through Stark State. So if your child is in a CCP class, just reach out to me via email or phone call with any questions or concerns, as parents unfortunately don't have access to the Stark State site. So I'm looking forward to an exciting year of learning, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or concerns. Thanks.